In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing proofing tools on Microsoft Word. If your spelling and grammar underlines suddenly disappeared or Word isn't catching obvious typos, don't worry. This is usually caused by a quick setting that got switched off, often when you paste text from another source or open a document created by someone else. I'll walk you through a simple check that restores spelling and grammar checks for your whole document so you can get back to writing with confidence. First, make sure all the text in your document is selected so the change applies everywhere, not just to a single paragraph. The fastest way to do that is to press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command+A. You should see your entire document highlighted. This step is important because the proofing language and related options are applied to the selected text, and issues often occur when only parts of the document have different settings. Next, go to the Review tab at the top of Word. Look for the Language section and choose Set Proofing Language. If you don't see it right away, it's usually in the language group near Spelling and Grammar. Clicking Set Proofing Language opens a window where you can control how Word checks your text. In the language list, choose the language you actually want Word to use. For example, English. If you work with regional variants, pick the exact one that matches your writing, such as English, United States, or English, United Kingdom. This ensures Word uses the correct dictionary and grammar rules. Now, look for the option labeled Do Not Check Spelling or Grammar. If that box is checked, Word will silently skip all proofing for your selected text, which is why it can look like the tools are missing. Uncheck that box so Word starts reviewing your spelling and grammar again. This setting can get turned on by templates, imported text, or pasting from sources that carry their own formatting. Finally, click OK to apply the change. Because you selected all the text first, this will re-enable proofing across the entire document. You should notice Word underlining misspellings and grammar issues again as you type or when you run a spelling and grammar check from the Review tab. That's it. This quick reset fixes the most common cause of missing proofing tools. If things still don't look right after this, it may be due to a language mismatch in your content or an installation that doesn't include the dictionary you need. But in most cases, these steps bring the helpful red and blue underlines back immediately so you can continue editing with peace of mind.